Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see what colored clothing you should wear or what type of colors you should use around you to get the maximum benefits, positivity from the nakshatras that you have in your horoscope. I'll try to cover a few nakshatras in these videos and eventually we'll cover all the 27 nakshatras. To those of you who are new to astrology, every sign, every nakshatra has its set of karakatvas. Same way, every planet has a karakatva. That means these are the strength of these nakshatras, these are the strength of these planets. And in that portfolio, we also have colors, starting with Sun, Moon, Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Saturn. All planets have a particular color that is beneficial if you have that color. And this is easy to remember. If it is a Monday, wear the color signified by Moon. If it is a Friday, wear the color signified by Venus, that is Shukra. If it is a Sunday, the normal scheme would be wear the color that is signified by planet Sun, Ravi. Let us start with Sunday because Sunday is denoted by planet Sun, which is the basically the king of the whole planetary system. Sun is about the color orange, bright colors. So you will notice people who have dominant planets or major planets like their moon nakshatra lord or ascendant or sun in the nakshatra of sun will usually wear bright colors with the shades of orange and combinations. For example, if it is a Sunday and you are going for an important meeting where you have to show that you are the boss, you have to talk about the excellence that you have achieved in your particular field, then use sun's colors to give you that positivity. Same way, if you have nakshatra of Kritika and you have planets in Kritika, you can wear bright colors. You can also wear variegated colors like a peacock feather. If you have now Ashwini nakshatra, Ashwini is a nakshatra of Ketu. Usually people with Ashwini nakshatra are seen in the fields of healing, automation, where energy is continuously changing. Demand of energy is high. And that's why with a sign Aries where Ashwini nakshatra falls, it is beneficial for people who have Ashwini nakshatra to wear color red. And I'll use the symbolical expression as well. When somebody is supposed to wear the color red, they are supposed to seek attention. They will seek attention. They will talk about the coming danger, urgency, emergency, or something that is definitely noticeable by people. So use the red color if you have Ashwini nakshatra. If you have Bharani nakshatra in your horoscope, your ascendant or the owner of the moon or nakshatra, lord of your moon in Bharani nakshatra, which is a nakshatra of Shukra, you can always wear red color. It is noticed that people with Bharani nakshatra have some kind of liking about dark colors and typically red color as well. So they will wear dark red, dark yellow, or all the dark shades of colors including or compatible with red. Why? Because Bharani deals with the energy of extreme, and hence you will see people wearing dark colors to get the maximum benefit. These are the people who will have to take certain harsh decisions, bold decisions, and they need that kind of energy, that kind of power which they draw from the bright but dark shades of colors. Now let us talk about one more time about Kritika nakshatra. Kritika nakshatra people are usually seen in the businesses where they have to talk about their authority. It is about the mathematical expression, it is about the management aspects, but it deals with high energy many a times or lot of resources. And people with Kritika nakshatra are seen wearing colors like dark or bright variegated blue, orange, red, yellow, combined with the shades of green, blue and white. If you can see a peacock feather, this is the kind of color scheme these people will usually have. If you see around them, they have one main color and you will see different colored energies around that, different colors specifying different energies. What is the reason? The reason is they need to be on their toes, they need to be sharp, they need to be doing things quickly. Sometimes they have to be blunt, very straightforward. And that's why these colors will give you that kind of energy. People who are working in the kitchen, next to fire, next to emergency wards, or people taking decisions about big management decisions. All these people will need that strength of sun to own something, to rule something and be the leader. And hence Kritika people are seen wearing orange and a color scheme like peacock around that orange, blue, green or white. And these are the beneficial colors for them. Now if you are talking about, okay, I have to go for a particular work, right? I'm going to go and see somebody in the hospital. What type of colored clothing I should wear? You're going to go to the hospital. It is always advisable to wear a color which is not too dark or too bright for the patient. So you will notice people are either wearing shades of blue, shades of green, shades of pink or pastel colors. That is the signification of Rohini nakshatra. Rohini is a nakshatra of moon, falls in the sign of Taurus, and people will wear pastel colors. They can wear white, they can wear light and bright blue, same way green or any color, but that is bright and not disturbing. It can be motivating, inspiring, but still it gives a sense of calming. So shades of light colors are usually advisable. Even if you choose a bright color, combine it with a light color and wear it. Now let us continue doing these videos, and if you have any questions, you can write about choice of color. People in the authority should always wear the color black for a reason, because they need to understand what it means to put down certain things and give a decision, give a judgment. Black is a color which, even though absorbs many other energies, it comes out as a dark color where energy is very strong. If you are going to a place where you will face a lot of negativity, and if you have a mind that is more fickle, more unstable, or you are going through some emotional situation, do not wear color black, because black color tends to absorb all the negativity, and hence wear some other color. If you are going to smashan, somebody's last rites, or going to somebody's funeral, then wear the color white. Any color you can wear, but try to wear white alongside, so that you are protecting your own energy, you are trying to calm yourself down. Colors doesn't only mean what you wear, it means how you see things. And on the top of it, how the light is reflected, what kind of energies you are absorbing, what kind of energies you are dealing with, and hence colors have a lot of importance. As the season changes, the produce changes, the color of the produce is also different, the fruits are different, vegetables are different, because this is all connected with a scheme of this ecosystem. Plants and vegetables absorb the natural light, create their food, and this is how we get all our food. The vitamins, minerals that these vegetables or plants provide has a reason, and hence there are seasons. As sun changes the position every month, moves to a different Rashi, different sign, you will see various produce coming in the market. This is how seasons are regulated. Our festivals also have color schemes for a reason. whenever you are celebrating some function, you use various colors, different colors. Flowers, prasad has a signification and it has a reason behind it. When somebody is seen very bold colors, they are trying to seek attention. They are trying to convey certain point. If somebody tries to wear a pastel color, that means they are trying to make sure that everybody is at peace, everybody is included. Look at the daily panchang, look at the day. If you cannot see the panchang, you know Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and follow that. If you know your own nakshatra, then continue watching this series where I'll explain every nakshatra and the colors that usually bring out the positivity of that color. Namaste, thank you, Shubhamastu.